this certainly shook up the financial space, not just the fintech space, which has clearly been a, kind of thorn in the side, if you will, of the major banks. But look, they're being innovative where the big banks are not. They are, grabbing share, and they're coming out with these, very innovative products, and it's what consumers want. So, a lot to be said about the price paid for Afterpay here with Square, but they've done the calculation, and I think the build versus buy, it would take them just, many, many years to get that kind of a customer set. So I think, yeah, this is a shot across the bow again to the financial area at large, but also other fintech companies and PayPal included.
How concerned are you about credit quality issues, defaults down the line, and does that suggest that the underlying business model may be flawed?
Yes, I would highlight that as one of the primary risks to this transaction and just buy now, pay later as a business, as a platform, basically, because this has not, the buy now, pay later has not really gone through an economic cycle, a credit cycle. Buy now, pay later, as you think about the core of it, has been credit cards for 60 years at this point. You did have to pay a little bit of interest charge. But these companies are not doing any kind of credit background check on these individuals. So, you may cap the dollar amount, but during a downturn, they may be the first to buy now and not pay later. So that is definitely a concern as we look out into the next possible downturn. That's these loans have to be backed by something.
Right.
I think regulators are going to look at that pretty keenly also.
Just on that, how closely would you say overall, Stephen, the trust busters are watching this space, and could it slow down the pace of M&A?
Well, I think you have, there's a few other players out there that will probably get scooped up. I think some other, larger firms will take a look at this and say that, they'll be behind the game if they don't, sort of get on the bandwagon here. So, prices have moved up for the group at large, and I think M&A, there's still some more runway here to take out some of these smaller and mid-sized players.